What? Now what are we going to do? What are we going to do now? Huh? What? Grandma's going to have bruises on her side. Did you get it? Oh, he keeps hitting this one part of me. Now, what's the next thing we're going to do? We're going to jump up again. Oh, here we go.
I'm recording.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. I got all the good stuff.
You did?
Oh. Beep. Beep boop. Beep boop. Beep boop. Beep boop.
He just loves to do stuff like that. He does. He has a good time. Yes.